For the next exercise, we are going to ask questions. Transformez les questions avec est-ce que. So, you all know the meaning of this expression. Est-ce que means, is it that? So, here we have a set of 5 questions, and these are statements with a question mark. So now we are going to convert the questions from this type to this type, est-ce que. So I will show you how to do the first one. Vous êtes danseur? You are a dancer? So to convert this question into that form, we write est-ce que. We begin the question with is it that? And then you write this question as it is. Est-ce que vous êtes danseur? Is it that you are a dancer? So, very simple exercise. You just have to convert this type of question to this type. Both these have the same meaning. So, the next one. C'est bon, it is good. So, how would you ask this question? Again, est-ce que c'est bon? So very simple. You just have to start the question with est-ce que and complete it with the statement. Next one. Tu aimes le chocolat? You like chocolate? Est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? And do not forget to put the question mark at the end. Then moving on to the next sentence. Next question. Vous aimez le cinéma? Vous aimez le cinéma? Est-ce que vous aimez le cinéma? And finally, the last sentence. Tu connais le secrétaire? You know the secrétaire? Est-ce que? Here this question is tu. So, tu connais secrétaire? So this was a very simple exercise. Now you know how to ask questions in this form using est-ce que. So vous êtes danseur? You are a dancer. Est-ce que vous êtes danseur? Is it that you are a dancer? So we know now there are 2 forms of asking a question. You can either write the statement with a question mark, or you can use est-ce que. So this expression means is it that. Est-ce que vous êtes danseur? Est-ce que c'est bon? Est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? Est-ce que vous aimez le cinéma? Est-ce que tu connais le secrétaire? So this is how you ask questions using est-ce que.